Okay, so next exercise natin, ma'am. Deadlift tayo. So, option, pwede na tayo mag-kettlebell or ano pa, stay tayo with the med ball. So, one leg deadlift. Pakita natin. So, profile. Okay. So, hawak. Inhale down. Touch yung floor. Taas yung legs na isa. Balance. Rise up. Reset. Keep shoulders back. Slide bend sa knees. Kahit yung nandito. Slide bend lang. So, inhale down. Touch. Rise. So, brace yung core for more balance, stability. So, inhale. Exhale up. And then, 10 repetitions per leg. So, 10 muna. Tapos, switch tayo ng leg. Hindi alternating. Okay? So, pakita natin. Harap. Paa natin. Hip width apart. Shoulders back. Abs tight. So, by bracing your core, yung iniipit yung chan, mas maganda yung balance natin. So, inhale. Exhale up. Okay, so imagine para tayong poso. So, pag bumaba yung resistance natin, tataas yung other leg, rise up. Okay? So, try natin mas diretso, stiff, yung nakataas, parallel sa katawan, then rise up. Shoulders back as always, and then brace your core. So, 10 per leg.